Shout out muna doon sa 8 flavors of Bacolod. They keep on watching the PBA. Every game, nanonood sila. Sana mabusog kayo dyan. Okay? And regarding that game, nakita naman natin ang difference nung nung last game at game ngayon. In terms of rebounds, out-rebounded sila. And then there's no pass break points para sa talk and text. Okay? And then turnover points, I think lamang pa rin kami. That's one thing. It's a sign na the hustle and hard work at talaga na andun makikita natin. Dahil last time nakita natin flat na flat kami and they thought na madalit talunin but they have a good plan last game, especially on defense, and then at the start, so we don't know yet what happened to us but I told them na just be patient, this is just a first half. Imagine 5 straight 3 points so mabuti na lang yung bandang huli pero still 10 3 points pa rin sa kanila. We have to do something about their perimeter shooting because of the makikita natin yung points of paint nila at 22, unlike last time it's a 40. Okay, so that means the player is really wanted to win. And sinasabi mo tungkol sa mga nag-step up, especially ito mamang ito si Rodney. Imagine naging highest pointer siya, 20 points and a lot of 17 points and 15 rebounds. Yun ang na-miss ko sa kanya last time and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 7 players in double figures, guys, and it's a team effort yun nangyari, and thank God we got this week.
And now we open the floor to questions from the media.
Congratulations. You mentioned yung bukod dun sa mga stars mo, step up yung mga player ni kung conference nyo, parang bukod sa mga stars nyo, ang story, yung mga contributions, halos every game by nagka-contribute like si Rodney tonight and Cristo Salas and Mugao.
I think before the series, before the playoffs, we're relying more on the bench. And then almost, ang average nila is 50-50. And tonight, nakita naman natin that's 42 bench points. Okay, with 96, so almost half, 45%. And last time, wala masyado nakita sa bench And then, I think, we're able to solve the problem we had last time because at the start nagpanic agad kami, marami kaming ginawang substitution, but this time I stick to the normal rotation namin.
Very intense din tonight. Malaking bagay na kahit 14 to start ang TNT, 16 point, unti-unti na bulan nyo na eventually nakontrol yung
wala namang nanalo sa first quarter lang So, alam naman namin na apat naman yung quarters na yan. Alam namin makakabalik kami yung gusto talaga namin manalo ngayon. Mahirap kasi ma-down 3-2 dito sa series na to. Tapos siguro naging motivation din sa amin yung sama ng pagkatalo namin last game. So, talaga namin bumawi. And thank God na nakuha namin yung panalo ngayon.
Gusto yung
ano lang naman to, gawa to nung gawa to nung injury ko nung yung tapilo ko. So naka-apekto yung yung muscle, medyo may mga nag-shutdown na Di pa kasi 100% yung tapilo ko. Pero buti nakabalik na rin ako kahit pa paano nakapaglaro na ako ng So yung mga nakaraang games sa amin, hindi ako masyado nakapag-contribute. Siyempre may mga inaalala yan. Ngayon, talagang sabi ko, hindi na pwedeng hindi na tayo pwedeng cometics kailangan buhos na. Hanggat nakakabit, laro pa yung laro pa.
Coach, you have a chance to finish off TNT on Sunday. Sa takbong serye, walang assurance na kahit lumama ng malaki sa first quarter, sigurado kayo. So how will you try to make sure na tapusin yung TNT?
We should be motivated with that that opportunity. But it's not that easy because their back is against the wall naman, just like what happened on last game. So I'm expecting a different ball game from them, and it's up to us how to realize the situation is, so that, because everybody wants to finish this, but there's no assurance. Basta, gagawin namin we have to keep on working hard and try to know and realize what's really happening in the game dahil alam naman natin, this is a game of adjustment.
Good evening, Coach. Update lang dun sa knee injury ni Julmar kanina.
Yeah, I think may strange siya dahil natag-anan and then something happened, but I have to thank him. I'm very grateful ako sa kanya dahil nakita natin he's a warrior. And dahil nakita niya the game is on the line and then he has to finish the game even though may pain pa siya nararamdaman. So pumasok siya because we know na his mere presence in the court, it will have something advantage para sa amin And then nakita mo naman kahit paano he's trying to help kasi gumagalaw siya because of a painkiller lang
So, Game 6, ano pa rin ba?
Hopefully, sana makabalik siya but let's see what will happen tonight until tomorrow dahil kailangan namin ng therapist pa-check up siya dahil we cannot gamble his health Dahil I don't care kung matalo kami o manalo basta ang health ng mga players kailangan yun ang binibigyan namin ng pansin pero kanina nung tumingin ako sa kanya sabi niya okay siya so we tried and then yun naman nakatakbo pa rin siya kahit paano naka-rebound but he's not 100%.
Rodney, may nakita pa ba sa tangke or Game 6 and 7 if ever?
Oo, nagsisimula pa lang kami. joke lang. Hindi, pinupulikat na nga sabi ko natapilok na nga tayo nung game 2. Sabi ko lang din sa mga PT namin, basta nakakabit pa, nakakatakbo pa, laban na. Oo, hanggat hindi pa tapos, kunin namin, sayang yung pambiling kalabaw.
Okay, grabe yung lapihan ni Pierre.
Oo nga normal yun, normal. Medyo welcome naman, welcome namin yung physicality. Siyempre, finals to hindi naman din basta-basta magpapatalo yun. At mas gusto nga rin namin yung ganun, yung physikalan. Gusto namin talaga yun. So siguro yun yung gumising din sa amin.
Sino mas malamig?
Yung asawa ko. Joke lang.
And with that, we end our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen, for your time.